Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about crypto.com coin or CRO. If you have not been paying attention to the chart in the past 48 hours, it's starting to look a lot more stable and getting ready for some boosters that might be coming in very soon. The retracements, the supports and the resistance, we're going to be talking about all of that today. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, don't want to stay up to date with everything to do with CRO token, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but it will just help YouTube push the video out to more people. More people see the incredible side of CRO, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profits, so make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart and more zoomed in one so we're able to see more clearly what is happening with the CRO chart. You can see that this is about a week ago. Now for straight 4 days we were on a very strong downtrend, and this downtrend was also hinted from the super trend. You can see the red line just started getting bigger and bigger as we moved forward. At one point, which was the 11th of December, around that point, that's when CRO decided to completely switch up. But keep in mind, after the flash crash that occurred, I'd say about 2 weeks ago now, that point we had a recovery. Then the retracement was not as bad as a lot of people anticipated, but the recovery from the retracement was very good. Now the thing you need to understand is since the recovery we were starting to see a very strong downtrend. So you can see that the lower low over here was much higher than the next lower low, and the same thing kept following. On the top the same thing was happening, so the higher highs kept getting lower and lower until the 12th of December, which was about 4 days ago. Now what is really interesting is you can see that when this pull up did happen, it was due to the extreme buy orders that did come in around this time. It was not just from one whale that decided to buy in quite a bit of CRO, but rather there was a lot of smaller traders as well deciding to put in their buy orders and making sure their limits are triggered and making sure they can buy in at the right time. And you can see all the spikes have been very small, but most of them were the green ones, which is what was really good. But at the point which actually peaked, it was close to 62 cents. Now those 62 cents was actually on the RSI line in a very highly overbought zone. So obviously the clear outcome is going to be a pullback as the retail investors decide to pull their money out and try to take profit. Now keep in mind this retracement could have been much smaller, and that could have completely changed the perception on what was going to happen to the CRO price, but this retracement was very long until today. You can see that it did have a small recovery because CRO or crypto.com made some sort of announcement, which I'll show you guys down the line. But if we decide to look at this point, you can see we are on a very critical zone. If this point which we are on right now on the zigzag line goes below this point, it is going to be some extreme supports that will be tested by the CRO token. If we decide to look at the 4 hour chart, it will give you a little bit more clearer view, and at the same time you will be able to see what is happening since the all-time high. So the all-time high, which was 97 cents, we hit it around here. Since then we were going on a downtrend until the 5th or the 6th of December. Now since then you can see that we did actually flip the super trend as we did switch it into an uptrend, but just from the past 48 hours it got flipped again as CRO price did go down. What do I personally think will happen from this point on? It really depends on the whole market, because if you guys do not know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything has been acting really weird since the flash crash which we had about a week or two ago now. Since then, the whole market has been very stable, of Bitcoin stabilizing around 49,000. Same thing is happening with CRO. It is in a very strong consolidation period, but keep in mind after Christmas and all the holiday season goes away, I'm pretty sure a lot of people, whatever money they have left behind, would want to invest in something, and if they decide to put that money in crypto, which most of the people will do, it will have a hefty pull up. So that's just my prediction. If we decide to look at the coin market cap, you can see that CRO token is sitting on the 16th slot. So CRO is still not looking bad, but if we decide to look at the trading volume, you can see it's starting to look really good. Last time we checked, it was close to 200 million. Now it is coming somewhere close to 250 million, which means there is more people that are deciding to buy back into CRO as they think this is going to be a good time. If you guys don't know, CoinMarketCap today had a huge glitch, and let's just say the glitch was so massive that they decided to put the price of Bitcoin to 789 billion, and even the CRO price was heavily impacted, and I just saw my wallet and the value was like 790 billion, and I was gassed. I mean, not in a way that yes, I'm rich. I know it was just a mistake, and that's why the whole day CoinMarketCap has been acting really weird. Anytime I try to look up something, it's super hard, so make sure you guys are a little careful when you're looking at the stats on CoinMarketCap today. They're probably going to get fixed very soon. Now, talking about something very interesting, you guys can see in Life Liberty, and this big advertisement that was put up looks insane, and it is obviously about crypto.com. Fortune favors the brave, and you guys need to understand, crypto.com right now has been getting so much attention, and obviously the people who decide to make an account in crypto.com will decide to buy CRO, as they will be able to stake it to receive bigger APY on stable coins and any other coins they want to stake. So buying CRO will be the best option, and seeing how much attention crypto.com is getting is just crazy. And look at this, so you guys know the Lakers will be having their game in the arena very soon, and if you decide to buy a ticket on Ticketmaster right now, you can see Lakers versus Suns is going to be happening in crypto.com arena. This is so cool. It's on the 21st of December. The name changing is happening on the 25th, and even though it is happening on the 25th, they have started using the term crypto.com arena. This is going to have so much attention to the crypto.com website and also CRO in general. I personally just feel like this is just getting started for CRO, and right now is probably a good time to buy in before the whole hype thing comes back into the CRO market and starts popping. Now, talking about something else which crypto.com did today, which is crazy, is crypto.com DeFi wallet is now integrated with VVS Finance. You will be able to, with the bridge of Chronos token, you will be able to do multi-chain support, so you can actually convert your tokens from different base to a different base, the bridge and the swap tokens all in one place. This is a huge deal, and VVS Finance is actually very popular themselves. They have like 50,000 followers, so they're very well known themselves as well, and getting integrated with CRO is pretty cool. Now, talking about this, so this article was posted by Investors Observer, and they said crypto.com moderate volatility and falling Tuesday, is it time to cash out? They decide to look into it, and then they talk about how the market is so volatile right now. Would it be a good time to cash out and buy back in once the market crashes more? And in this article, they talk about that it's probably better to hold because the market might start recovering very soon. And seeing the way CRO has been performing and the things that are coming towards it very soon, I wouldn't be surprised if it pops off. And finally, I just want to talk to you guys about the indicators. As you guys can see, the indicators are just suggesting a buy order right now, and it is not going to be slowing down anytime soon. Other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.